Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of bulky coffee makers devouring your precious counter space, especially during the bustling holiday season? What if I told you there's a sleek, powerful solution that delivers your perfect cup, takes up less room than a roll of paper towels, and fits seamlessly into any decor? Well, get ready, because today we're putting the spotlight on the brand new Keurig K-Mini Mate single-serve coffee maker. This isn't just another coffee machine. It's a game changer for anyone craving convenience, style, and that perfect brew without the bulk. We've been putting this ultra-compact marvel through its paces, and I'm genuinely excited to share why it might just be the best holiday gift you give or receive this year. Let's kick things off with what truly makes the K-Mini Mate revolutionary: its incredible size. We're talking about a mere 4 inches wide. Seriously, 4 inches. This isn't just compact. It's practically invisible until you need it. Imagine reclaiming significant counter space in your kitchen, dorm room, or even your office. For those living in small apartments, or anyone who appreciates a minimalist aesthetic, this is a dream come true. During the holidays, when every inch of surface is valuable for festive decorations or extra serving dishes, the K-Mini Mate tucks away neatly, making it perfect for those impromptu guest coffee stations or even as a thoughtful addition to a holiday gift basket for a college student. It doesn't just fit, it belongs, blending effortlessly and silently until it's time to shine. Next up, let's talk about the sheer joy of single-cup convenience for those cozy moments. In today's fast-paced world, who has time to brew an entire pot of coffee when you only need one perfect mug? The K-Mini Mate solves this beautifully. It brews up to 12 ounces of your favorite coffee in mere minutes. No more stale coffee sitting in a carafe, no more wasted grounds, and absolutely no more waiting. Whether it's a peaceful holiday morning where you want to savor a fresh brew, or a late-night treat after all the festivities, this machine delivers exactly what you need, when you need it. It's about personalizing your coffee experience, ensuring every cup is as fresh and delicious as the last, tailored precisely to your craving. It's instant gratification for your taste buds, every single time. And for all you adventurers, commuters, and busy bees out there, you're going to absolutely love this. The K-Mini Mate is travel mug-friendly for on-the-go cheer. This feature is a total lifesaver. The removable drip tray accommodates mugs up to a generous 7.25 inches tall, meaning you can brew directly into most standard travel mugs. Think about the time you save in the morning. No pouring from a mug to a travel mug, no extra cleanup. Just brew, grab, and go. Heading out for a holiday road trip, a quick dash to work, or simply enjoying your brew on a stroll through winter wonderland. Your favorite seasonal beverage can come with you, hot and ready. It's the ultimate convenience for anyone who lives life on the move, transforming your morning routine into a seamless experience. Beyond these incredible practicalities, the K-Mini Mate also boasts a sleek, modern design and comes in festive color options. Its minimalist look means it won't clash with your existing decor, making it a truly elegant and thoughtful holiday gift. So, who is the Keurig K-Mini Mate for? It's for the small space dweller, the busy professional, the student, the traveler, and anyone who appreciates a quick, fresh, and perfectly brewed cup of coffee without the fuss. This holiday season, if you're looking for a gift that combines practicality, style, and daily delight, something that truly enhances a loved one's everyday life, then the Keurig K-Mini Mate is it. It's more than just a coffee maker. It's an invitation to simplify, savor, and enjoy those precious moments, one perfect cup a time. If you're ready to revolutionize your coffee routine, or give the ultimate gift of convenience and style this holiday season, then you absolutely need to check out the Keurig K-Mini Mate. Find the link in the description below to grab yours today and make this holiday season extra special. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Stay caffeinated and inspired, everyone.